Hi there, everyone. My name is Samuel Simmons, and this is my ePortfolio profile video. A little bit about myself, some personal information. I'm born and raised in Kansas City, Kansas, where I'm actually currently employed and been employed for the last 10 years. I have been married for 18 years to my beautiful and lovely wife, Trina. We have four children together. Talia is 19, Jada is 17, Sanaya is 14, and Samuel Jr. is 10, and they all keep us extremely busy. My educational background. I graduated from Schlegel High School, again here in Kansas City, Kansas, and from there I was blessed with the opportunity to receive a scholarship to play football for Northwestern University up in Chicago. From there, once I got done playing in the NFL and kind of bounced around arena football for several years as well, I went back to school at Pitt State and went through an alternative certification program called the Kansas City, Kansas Teaching Fellows, where I graduated with my Master's of Arts in Teaching in 2011. And now I am currently in the principal endorsement option through Fort Hays State. So that's just a little bit of information about my educational background. Some personal goals from 1 to 5 years that I have. It's really all about my wife and my kids. Just continue to take care of home, continue to be a role model for my kids, continue to support my children as they go to venture off into higher education. I have one who will be transferring to KU next year, who actually made their cheer team for the 2018-2019 school year. And then next year, I also have a senior in high school. So just continue to support my children and in their endeavors, both academically and athletically, to the best of my ability, making sure that they graduate with zero debt, no student loans is definitely a personal goal of mine. And obviously just continue to build a strong bond with my wife of 22 years. Some professional goals of mine, in between this 1 and 5 year mark, as I finish my endorsement option through Fort Hays, I do want to look into an ed spec program or even pursue my doctorate, right around that, probably close to the 5 year range. Within this 1 to 5 year range, I also want to obviously continue, building my capacity to be a great instructional coach, as well as work to pursue within this next year or two opportunities to be a building level leader, obviously as an assistant level first, and hopefully even being able to manage the athletic program and then build up my ability to be a building level leader from there. From there, after leading a building at the assistant level, somewhere got to be 5 plus. So pushing the 6 year mark, I definitely want to be able to be a building leader, a building head principal, and then continue to build my capacity as a building leader, and then be able to pursue from there. Pushing between now and the next 6 to 10 years, going back to school and possibly receiving my again, if it's my doctorate, but pursuing my district level leadership certification. That way, here around 10 to plus to probably close to 15 years, I can pursue maybe an executive director position or maybe even a assistant superintendent, somewhere around that realm. I even have one down for 20 plus years. I mean, I can see my long range goals of finishing my career in education, retiring from this field, and even coming back to work as possibly a substitute or some type of athletic sports coach. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? Obviously, I heard a lot about it. A lot of colleagues in the Kansas City, Kansas public school district spoke highly about the program. Being virtual online definitely was a plus for me with my busy schedule at work as well as at home. Cost played a significant factor as I was really looking into programs, and I've been doing that for a couple years now. Fort Hays State was by far the most cost effective, affordable program that I found. And so that was definitely those are definitely the reasons that I chose Fort Hays State. I actually probably looked up and got into the program with a few colleagues of mine throughout the district, and we were just able to share ideas, collaborate, bounce ideas off each other, and just really work through this program together, which has really been beneficial for me. So what are my initial expectations of this program? I'm going the endorsement route, so I'll be taking classes like community relations, special education, educational finance, all realms that, as a teacher and instructional coach, I have not received enough knowledge in those in certain areas to be a building level leader. So I need to continue to build my capacity, my confidence, to be a building level leader. And I'm hoping to really to benefit from these classes, the knowledge that I'm hoping to take away from the 7 classes that I'll be taking, as well as I'm definitely looking forward to collaborating with colleagues in the Fort Hays State program as well. So that's just a little bit about myself. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Good luck to everyone else out there. Take care.